Prior to fitting, unfasten all straps on the posterior side of the device. Bend the knee at a 90-degree angle with the foot flat on the floor and place the device on the leg such that the patella is centered between the condyle pads. Align the center of the hinge slightly above the middle of the patella. Fit the strap just below the knee first. This strap is located above the calf muscle and aids in the correct positioning of the device. Next, snugly fasten the bottom strap by inserting it through the D-ring. Continue with the strap just above the knee. Then fasten the top strap. Over-tightening the top two straps can cause the device to migrate. Last, snugly fasten the anterior tibial strap. For brace removal, sit down and bend the knee at an 80-degree angle with the foot flat on the floor. Unfasten all posterior straps of the device and attach the straps back to themselves. This will make it easier to put the device on next time and will also prolong the life of the straps.